Yes, students. In first chapter, we have learned what do we mean by business. Okay. Then we have learned what are the characteristics of business, what are the responsibilities of business, and what are the objectives of business. Then we have learned what do we mean by employment, what do we mean by profession. Okay. And what do we mean by economic activities and non-economic activities. Now, from this chapter onwards, we are going to learn business in detail. Okay, so this is chapter number 2, business activities. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn like what are the types of business or what are the activities which are involved in business. Okay, see, business means production and distribution of goods and services on a regular basis. Okay, that is a business. See, business has mainly two important categories. One is, or activities we can say, one is industry and another is commerce. These two aspects, these two things plays a very crucial role. Okay, so combination of industry and commerce is a business we can say. Industry means what? Industry is a place where production of goods and services will take place, that is known as industry. Okay, and what do we mean by commerce? Commerce means where the goods will get exchanged, where the goods will get transported from the place of production to place of consumption. That is known as commerce. So that's why I have written over here, industry is a production of goods and services, whereas commerce involves two other important aspects. First one is a trade and second one is a aids to trade. Okay, see, now today we are going to learn about industry. Okay, see, as I said, industry means what? Industry is a place where production of goods and services will take place, or we can say that the place where raw material will get converted. I repeat, where the raw material will get converted into semi-finished goods or finished goods. That place is known as industry. Okay, so now industry has total 6 types. What are those? Primary industries, genetic industries, extractive industries, manufacturing industries, construction industries and service industries. Okay, what do we mean by primary industry? Okay, first we will learn about primary industries. Okay, see, primary industries are the industries where the production of goods by undertaking farming or occupation related with nature. Okay, for example, agriculture, fishing, forestry, horticulture, etc. are the examples of primary industries. Okay, or we can say that the industries which are engaged in the activities which are related to nature. Okay, such industries are known as primary industries, or these industries are going to be completely dependent on the nature, जैसे farming हुआ, okay, agriculture हुआ, or we can take the example of fishing. Okay, see, man does not have any control on it. They are just going to take the product from the nature which are freely available. Okay, they are going to develop those resources. That is known as primary industries. Now, what do we mean by genetic? Okay, see, genetic industries. Genetic means heredity, which will pass from one generation to another. Okay, so the industries which are engaged in the reproduction or multiplication of certain types of plants or certain species of animals for their profits are known as genetic industries. I repeat, genetic means what? Genetics means heredity, which will pass from one generation to another. So genetic industries are those industries which are engaged in reproduction or multiplication of certain types of plants or certain types of species of animals are known as genetic industries, and these activities they are going to do only to make profit. Such industries are known as genetic industries. For example, poultry farms, okay, nurseries of plants or plant nurseries, hatcheries are the example of genetic industries. Now, extractive industry, third type is extractive. Extract means what? To dig out, to take out. Okay, so the industries which are engaged in extracting products from the nature, that is air, soil or water, such industries are known as extractive industry. Extract का मतलब क्या होता है? To take out. From where? From the nature, that is air, soil or water. Such industries are known as extractive industries. See, example is here mining, okay, oil mine, oil industries are the example of extractive industry. See, when it comes on primary, here we are taking the example of agriculture, fishing, forestry. Whereas again, primary industry में also we are taking the help of nature. In extractive industry में भी we are taking help of nature. But when it comes on primary industries, whatever products we are going to get, we can use it as it is, okay. But when it comes on extractive industry, you have to process the products which we are going to get from the extractive industries. For example, if like when it comes on oil industry, okay, whatever oil you are going to get from that industry, you cannot use it as it is, okay. You have to process it, okay, otherwise you will not be able to use. So this is the basic difference between primary industry and extractive industry. Fourth one is manufacturing industries. So the industries which are engaged in the conversion of raw material into semi-finished goods or finished goods, such industries are known as manufacturing industries. See, when it comes on manufacturing industries, in the next class we are going to learn something more about manufacturing industries in detail. But tentatively, what do we mean by manufacturing industry? Manufacturing industries in the industries which are engaged in the conversion of raw material into semi-finished goods or finished goods. Such industries are known as manufacturing industry. For example, textile, paper, sugar industry. See, under these industries, you will find that the raw material you cannot use it as it is, okay. It will get processed, it will get passed from one stage to another, and to reach final stage, it needs to cross multiple stages, okay. So those industries will fall under the head of manufacturing industries. Now next one is construction industries. See, the industries which are engaged in the constructional activities, such industries are known as construction industries. For example, construction of roads, constructions of dam, construction of building are the example of construction industries. And the construction industries are going to use the products of manufacturing industry. Construction industries are going to use the products of extractive industries. For example, say to construct building or to construct road, we require sand, we require stones, okay, we require cement. All these products are the example of extractive industry. Whereas cement industry is an example of manufacturing industry that I am going to explain you in the next class how it is. Next is service industries. Last one is service industries, okay. So service industries are those industries which are engaged in rendering services to final customers are known as service industries. For example, we can take the example of movie theaters, hospitals, schools, hotels, okay, restaurants will fall under the category of service industry. So industry is a place where production of goods or services will take place is known as industry. Industries has three types. Primary industries, here example is agriculture. Genetic industries, here the example is poultry farm. Extractive industries, here we can take the example of mining. Manufacturing industries, here we can take the example of paper industry. Construction industries, we can take the example of construction of roads, building, dam, anything. Service industries, here we can take the example of education, hospitals or schools, okay, whatever it is, okay. So these are the examples, these are the types of industries. This is very important question for 5 mark students. In the next class, we are going to learn more about manufacturing industry, okay. I hope you are following the videos well. If you are having any doubts, please do ask. Thank you.